Hello, my dear children. I am your physics teacher for this academic year, and my name is Miss Sreena. I had taught in the classes 5th C, D, and E last year. I taught them science. So, some of you may know me because those who were in those classes may know me, others may not. Okay, so I am introducing me once again. My name is Miss Sreena and I am teaching you physics this year. Okay, so we all know the difficult situation in which we are going through, isn't it? The COVID-19 is not leaving us, isn't it? It's not letting us free. We all are stuck at our own home. No other way. We all are stuck at our home. So there is no possibility for us to come to school and study together. That is why this year also we are continuing our online classes. Okay. So let us pray to God that all the situations become normal as soon as possible. Let us all come to the school and study together. We all pray for that, isn't it? I know you students are missing us teachers, isn't it? You are missing your friends, you are missing your school, everything you are missing, isn't it? All the fun, all the laughter we had together. Even we are missing that. Even the teachers, we teachers are also missing you so much. We love to teach in the school itself, by seeing you, by talking with you, motivating you. All this was easier at school. But what to do? The situation is not good. That is why we are forced to sit at home. It is the only way to be safe. That is why we are sitting at home. Still, we have to continue our studies, isn't it? Although COVID-19 pandemic is there, we cannot stop our education. It should go on. That is why all the schools have started this online classes. Even the government has issued rules for that. So we have to continue with our education. Okay. I hope all of you are keeping safe. All of you are safe at home, happy, healthy. I'm praying for that. And you have to pray for me also. Okay. Keep me also in your prayers, my family. Also you have to keep in your prayers. I will pray for you also. Definitely I will pray for you. Okay, so let us come to the point. So today's class I am taking to introduce the subject physics to you. Okay, last year you have learned science, isn't it? The science was not divided into any other subject. A whole subject science was there. But this year onwards you have to study science in 3 different books, okay, like physics, chemistry and biology. Science is divided into 3: physics, chemistry and biology. And you know, I am teaching you physics. Okay, so let us have a small introduction about physics. So you might have seen a lot of phenomenon around us, isn't it? Every day a lot of things are happening around us. Even with our knowledge or without our knowledge. We know that the sun rises in the east, set in the west. All the planets move. We know that, isn't it? And then what, day and night occur, seasons occur. All these are happening in nature. And you know, evaporation take place, water vapor goes up, forms clouds, come back in the form of rain. So many things are happening. The flowers are blooming, the birds are singing, a lot and lots of things are happening around us. And people in olden times, they didn't know anything about all these natural phenomena. Now we know why does day and night occur. We know that it is because of the rotation of the earth. We know why seasons occur, because of the revolution of the earth. But it was not like that years before, olden times. The people didn't know anything. So what they did, they underwent so many observations. They used to observe the nature and they used to form laws about these observations and made some conclusions about that. Okay, so that is how science emerged. The branch of science emerged as a result of these observations, experimentations, and conclusions. Okay, later this science was divided into three branches. Which are they? Physics, chemistry, and biology. Okay, now everyone take your textbook. So this is our textbook. This is the physics textbook for this year. Everyone might have got it, isn't it? Now open your book. Everyone open your book. You have to take page number 1. This is the page number 1, and it is written there, introducing science, physics, introducing science. Here you can see the branches of science are given here. See here, the branches of science are given here. Just listen to that. Which are the branches of science? Science is divided into physical science and biological science, and physical science comprises physics and chemistry, and biological science comprises biology, that is botany and zoology. And what is this physics? Physics is the study of matter and energy. You have learned about matter and energy in the smaller classes, isn't it? So physics is the study of matter and energy. And what about chemistry? Chemistry is the study of composition and properties of matter. Okay, and about botany and zoology, you may be knowing. What is botany? Study of plants, and zoology is the study of animals. Okay, and you may know or may not, the word physics is derived from a Greek word fusis, F-U-S-I-S, fusis. Okay, the word physics is derived from the Greek word fusis. What is the meaning of fusis? Fusis means nature. Okay, so by studying this physics, the scientists make measurements. Lot of measurements they take. For studying physics, you need to take measurement, and also you have to make laws using those measurements. Okay, and why is this learning of physics is so important to us? Do you know that why we are studying physics? Because here you can see marvels of physics. Marvels means wonders. What are wonders physics has brought in our life? It is very marvelous thing. The physics has brought so many marvels to our life. For example, you are using laptops, mobile phones. All these are for to listen the classes, isn't it? Online classes, we are using this mobile phones or laptops. From where? Who gave us all these things? The branch of science called physics gave us all the electronic gadgets. All these things are formed by the researchers which took place in the field of physics. Here it is given here a lot of marvels of physics, like motion of the planets, twinkling of the stars. All these were discovered by physics. And the satellites like Sputnik, all these were launched with the help of the physics branch of science. Okay, television, telephone, air conditioners, CD players, laptop, all these are the marvels of physics. So can you now imagine a day without mobile phone, computer or television? It is not possible, isn't it? Even the people are going to space. They are making spacecraft. All these are with the help of physics. So if you want to do something great to the humanity, like finding out some great things, or having some space research, not only this, a lot of things you can do by studying physics. Okay, that is why studying physics is very important. So this year we are going to study physics in 3 chapters. Okay, how many chapters are there? Not 3, 6 chapters are there. Which are they? Matter, physical quantities and measurement, force, simple machine, light and magnetism. These are the chapters which you have to learn. Okay, so sometimes I am not sure, last year it was done like that. The council, that means the ICSE board had reduced the syllabus because of online classes. So we are expecting something like that this year also. So if we are getting any order like that, we will take the portions according to that portion only that given by the ICSE board. Otherwise we will take all the chapters. Okay, so in the beginning we are beginning with the chapter 3, that is force. We will begin with the chapter 3, that is force. About force also you have learned in the smaller classes, so it won't be difficult for you. Okay, so in the next class onwards we will start the new chapter, that is force. Okay, I hope you will have a nice time with me. We will study physics together. We will enjoy studying physics together. Okay, so see you in the next class. Okay, bye.